Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. Today we're gonna be doing another summer cocktail for Thirsty Thursdays. Now I only had 2 people request this cocktail, so I figured let's wrap it up into one episode and do 2 variations of the same cocktail. And that cocktail is the Gin Fizz. The 2 lovely individuals that requested this cocktail, and only 2 of them did, goes to Amy and Skylar. So here is your Gin Fizz. A quick history on the Gin Fizz. It first made its appearance in Jerry Thomas's Bon Vivant publication in 1862. This cocktail does go back a while. It's essentially the frothy, creamy cousin of Tom Collins. Gin, lemon, simple syrup, soda water, but with the addition of an egg white. Once Jerry Thomas published this recipe, it blew up across the states, becoming incredibly popular as a mellow nightcap. So today we're gonna do 2 variations, the Gin Fizz and the Golden Fizz. So let's start with the Gin Fizz. I'm gonna start with 2 ounces, or 60 mils, Kisses cold gin. We have 1 ounce, or 30 mils, fresh lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce, or 22 mils, simple syrup. To bring out more of the floral nature of the gin, we're gonna add 3 dashes of jasmine water. Now for our egg white. Never crack it directly over your shaker. Now we're gonna keep the egg yolk for our next cocktail. Last thing I'm gonna do to increase the frothiness is add in one of my little shaker balls for my shakers. I'm gonna cap it off and dry shake without ice. And shake real hard for about 20 seconds. Got my big cube here, give it a crack. And now for our wet shake. And then we top it off with our soda water. There is the classic Gin Fizz. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Delicious. A little bit of that jasmine flower water coming through nicely. It's nice and creamy. The egg white gives it this lightness and this incredible just body to it. And I was right. Kisses Cold Gin makes a phenomenal cocktail. The one problem with the Gin Fizz is they're so light and refreshing. On a hot day like this, I'll just knock it back. Okay, now on to our second Gin Fizz. Even though the Golden Fizz was published at the exact same time as the original Gin Fizz by Jerry Thomas, it didn't have the same luster as its brother. So let's make our Golden Fizz. Just like before, we're gonna be using Kisses Cold Gin. We're gonna go 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. 1 ounce or 30 mils, fresh lemon juice. Add a little extra oomph to it. We're gonna go 3 dashes of lime bitters. I'm gonna add a half a bar spoon of my turmeric golden latte. 3/4 of an ounce or 22 mils, simple syrup, and our egg yolk that we saved. Got our big ice cube here, let's give it a crack. Throw our top on. Now a nice hard shake for about 15 seconds. Absolutely stunning color. And just like before, we're gonna add our soda water. The Golden Fizz, look at that color. Oh yeah. Does have a little bit of that egg yolk scent to it, but then you get that lemon and the turmeric. So this is the first time I'm trying this cocktail. So you get an honest reaction. I don't hate it, I don't like it. I don't dislike it, but I'm definitely not a fan of it. You can taste the egg yolk a little too much for me. It doesn't taste bad, but it's got that runny yolk flavor to it. I don't really want that in my cocktail. but I am going back for a third sip. Yeah, it's not for me. It does have a good flavor to it. The turmeric that I added in, perfect. Get the lemon, the bitters are really bumping up the flavor. The gin works perfect in this. It's good, but yeah, I'm not a fan of that yolk flavor. It's gonna be a pass for me on that one, but you should definitely try one for yourself and see if you enjoy it. The question, of course, is which one do I like better? And just by the glasses, you can tell which one I like better. The classic Gin Fizz is perfect in every way. This, on the other hand, I feel like if you're going to use egg yolk in a cocktail, it has to be in a warm drink where you're emulsifying and cooking that egg. If you made it this far and you want to check out the rest of my summer cocktails, click right there. If you want to check out some of my Sunday side dishes, click on up there. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.